Alright, so this sketch we got going on today. Yeah. Yep. Let's check it out. What do we got going on over here? We're gonna love this. Well, shout out to sponsorship right there. PhD. Look at this. 4x4 post maneuver. Shout out if you've seen that before. I have not. We got her almost dry fitted. I gotta rotate that pipe just about here. But now I gotta put that through there. Look at this boy. Look at this boy laser beaming. Here we go. I got that thing distributed down into there with that across, down sleeve, gusseted. Comes up into this thing. This thing's all welded up. I did dimes on the one, the laser beams on the other. But you see, I got a little piece of steel in there. See that? And you can't tell probably, but it's in there. Here's my new frame, broski dough. It's wet paint, but she's all in there. Gusset plate on that. Good. And then, yeah, she's butted up into there. So, back in action. We are out here, first race of the season. Alex is racing in the stock UTV class. These are some of the buggies he'll be up against. Looks like a lot of Polarises. Wolf Brothers. They represent the Can-Am. He's a 72 incher though, I think. Al's getting ready. We are officially lined up. Alex did not get to qualify because we didn't see that. And then these are the guys in his class. Stock boys. Hell yeah, brother. This is exciting. All right, Al's off. Looking good. Looking good. Taking it slow. We're not gonna have another Southern Rock Racing Series mishap.
And here comes the 4311 of Alex Klein with Sydney riding shotgun out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with Incline Racing. In his Can-Am, PhD Manufacturing, Will Klein, Han Corvono, John Katz, Maxxis ITB, System 3, and Fox. You see he went around wide. That's that easier, a little bit longer of a trek, but it's still fun.
They got 3-4 jacks. They literally just picked up the buggy. They literally just picked up the buggy, put the jack underneath it with all their guys. Oh, they're still using the jack to lift it up, but they 4 guys just manhandled the rear end and threw it up on the jack.
You know why? Because he was low enough that they couldn't get the jack under.
Correct.
The
Yeah.
on.
Correct.
Yeah, I was that low yesterday too, so I know that life.
You're alright.
Alright, well I still don't see. But he's already he was the first one out of my class that started.
I just got 3 flats, 2 broken rims. I finished the lap though. I didn't get the race done, but man, I had a hoot.